The refrigeration cycle for beginners. Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. Today, we are diving into the most important topic in the industry, the refrigeration cycle. Whether you are working on a small window, AC, a domestic refrigerator, or a massive industrial chiller, they all operate on this exact same cycle. If you master this, you have mastered 50% of HVAC technology. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. The 4 main components. To complete a refrigeration cycle, we need 4 primary components connected by copper piping: the compressor, the heart, the condenser, the heat rejector, the expansion valve, the pressure regulator, the evaporator, the heat absorber. Inside these components, a chemical called refrigerant constantly flows, changing its state from gas to liquid and back again. Step 1. Compression. The cycle begins at the compressor. Its job is to suck in low-pressure refrigerant gas and compress it. When you compress a gas, its pressure and temperature rise significantly. The refrigerant leaves the compressor as a high-pressure, high-temperature vapor, secret de gas, and moves toward the outdoor unit. Step 2. Condensation. Next, the hot gas enters the condenser coil, the outdoor unit. The outdoor fan blows air over the coils, removing heat from the refrigerant. As the refrigerant cools down, it changes its state from a gas to a liquid. By the time it leaves the condenser, it is a high-pressure, high-temperature liquid. Step 3. Expansion. Now, the high-pressure liquid reaches the expansion valve, or capillary tube. This is where the magic happens. The valve has a very small opening that restricts the flow. As the liquid forced through this opening, its pressure drops instantly. This sudden drop in pressure causes the temperature to plummet, turning the refrigerant into a low-pressure, low-temperature liquid/vapor mixture. Step 4. Evaporation. Finally, the cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil, the indoor unit. The indoor blower fan pulls warm air from your room across these cold coils. The refrigerant absorbs the heat from your room air. Because it absorbs heat, the refrigerant boils and turns back into a low-pressure vapor. This cold air is then blown back into your room, and the gas travels back to the compressor to start the cycle all over again. Summary. To summarize, the compressor pumps. The condenser rejects heat. The expansion valve drops pressure. And the evaporator absorbs heat. That is the secret to how we create cooling. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel.